Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Dania Garcia and I'm a former student of Micronetbd Education program. I'm here to express my gratitude for the informative training I received at DocuSign CLM and Salesforce Litify through Micronetbd Education. I was able to gain a thorough understanding of the features and capabilities of these two potent software programs during my time at Micronetbd Education. I developed a profound understanding of how to use these technologies efficiently. So thanks to the instruction of the skilled and experienced instructors, I am now confident in my abilities to use DocuSign CLM and Salesforce Litify to handle contracts and customer interactions respectively. Because of the thorough training courses offered by Micronetbd Education, I gained the knowledge and abilities to use these technologies in practical situations. Thanks to the course's hands-on activities and applications, I am proud to say that I'm a certified DocuSign CLM consultant now and currently working at Micronetbd to help and contribute to the company's success. I highly recommend Micronetbd Education's training program to anyone looking to improve their proficiency in DocuSign CLM and Salesforce Litify. The quality of instruction and resources provided by this organization are truly exceptional and have proven to be invaluable to my professional development.